What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Now or Never by XXXTentacion and other various artists. It is the first song I'm doing off of the Members Only Volume 4 album that X just released. Now there's no intro or anything like that for the video today because I wanted to get this video uploaded as quickly as possible for you guys. You guys requested this video the most as soon as the album dropped, so wanted to get this one up as quickly as possible. I will be doing multiple other songs from the album, but this seemed to be the most popular one, so let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Now you're starting in standard tuning. I did make my own tab for this song. It will be in the description below along with the free ebook. Go check those out as soon as you get done with the video. For now, we're starting with ring finger, 3rd fret A string, middle finger, 2nd fret A string, open A, index finger, 1st fret E string, and then E string open. That's the first segment that plays through twice. A good rhythm for the first part is to count in 4s. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. You're switching to the 2nd fret on your 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and then your last two notes are 3 and 4. 3, 4. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I said, that part repeats twice. Then it starts over, same note. Do the same note on your 2nd fret on your A string, but then you're putting your index finger on the 1st fret on the A string. Then you're going open A, and then 1 on your E. That stays there for a few moments. Then the final 4 notes are 4th fret E string, 3rd fret E string, 1st fret E string, open E string. Then it starts all over. Now using that same 4 counting method, that second segment of the song is going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're playing all 4 of those last notes on your downbeats for your numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it starts all over. So the entire thing slowly with the counting looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you get that picking down, you can turn these notes into the chords and play them as well. Your first chord is a C chord, so that ring finger's on your 3rd fret on your A string, your middle finger is on the 2nd fret on your D string, and your index finger is on the 1st fret of your B string. Your next chord is you're gonna take your ring finger off, keep your index finger on the 1st fret on the B string, and then put your middle finger 2nd fret A string. Next chord is an A minor. Put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, and then your ring finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, and keep your index finger on the 1st fret on the B string. Your next chord is an F. Index finger stays on the 1st fret of the B string, middle finger goes 2nd fret G string, ring finger 3rd fret A string, pinky finger 3rd fret D string, and if you can grab the 1st fret with your thumb there, you can do that as well. If not, just don't play that string. And then your final chord is an E minor, middle finger 2nd fret A string, ring finger 2nd fret D string. Now those are the chords for the first 2 segments that go through twice. They look like this. The counting will stay the same, so you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the final segment, you start with the same C chord, go to your 2nd chord, and then you're going to a B flat major, which is going to be your index finger, 1st fret A string, ring finger, 3rd fret D string, and you're going to use that to bar the D string, G string, and B string. If that's too hard, you can just do your index finger and your ring finger, or if you want to add your pinky to the G string on your 3rd fret as well, that'll work. But if you can get all 3 of those notes with your ring finger there, that's the full chord. After your B flat minor, you're going to your A minor again, then to your F again, and then the final 4 chords are a G sharp major. You're barring the entire 4th fret with your index finger, ring finger, 6th fret A string, pinky finger, 6th fret D string, middle finger, 5th fret of your G string. And you're keeping that same formation through the first 3 chords. It's here, move it down 1 fret to a G major, move it down 2 frets to your F major, and then you're going to your E minor. So altogether the chords look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. There's a lot of cool stuff going on in this song, guys. A lot of good chords to practice if you're trying to play the chords through it. So keep practicing. You will get it. It's great to develop that hand strength with those bar chords. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. Like this video if it helped you. There will be more X videos on the way, so we'll see you guys in the next video.